So I just want to start this video by saying I posted on Facebook on like the local town Facebook page, you know, hey, I see a lot of people are getting stuck, or I see there's people stuck out there. Should I go driving around trying to pull people out of the ditch, you know, save them from like a tow truck? I was like, hey, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, you know, Venmo, cash. And I put like question marks after this stuff, just like saying, hey, like, you know, I don't know what to charge people, but I'm not going to charge you like $100. So I'm just kind of willing to help people. So I didn't actually charge anybody. I didn't ask any of these people for money. One dude gave me 20 bucks, but I didn't ask for any money from any of them. The other two people I just helped for free, which is perfect. But I didn't want to put on there that, you know, I was just out helping people and didn't say anything, because I didn't want them to assume that it would be like $100 or 50 bucks for me to help them. I just wanted to be able to help people. So I guess I should have put there I was doing it for free, but I didn't. So anyway, hope that clears that up.
Going to see if we can find anybody stuck. If you're in Stanton, let me know. Got a locker, a bunch of weight in here, straps, some shackles, soft shackles, regular shackles, all kinds of stuff. So let me know. All right, first dude we're helping here. Straighten your tires. Well, looks like somebody took out a road sign, probably. And we've helped two people. One guy just needed a push, and so did another guy.
Talked to one lady on the phone, didn't end up being able to help her. Had some other folks send me some Facebook messages. Those didn't work out either. They, I guess, kind of wanted like to be towed up a hill or like across town or something, but I can just like get somebody out of the ditch or up a little hill, but not like super far. So
what is the United States Postal Service doing out here? This is ridiculous. I can't believe it.
all right, so got a guy here with a 7.3 Power Stroke. You know I love the Power Strokes. He needs a bolt for his shock. He said it fell out or something, so we're gonna see if it fits. Oh man, he's down on a old shirt. Oh, let's see if the oh, he's got a screwdriver in it. That sucks. Let's see if the bolt fits.
Perfect.
Oh man,
I think it went to something like that. That's exactly.
look at that.
That's perfect.
Now I've got him the impact. He's going to want to buy one after he uses it. And look at that, man.
That's what happens when you got Ford junk. It fits not junk. All right. Well, have a good one, man. All right, still driving around here. Haven't really seen anybody else that wanted help. I asked one dude. He said he had it. He was kind of stuck, but you know, anyway, we'll see. See if I find anybody else. All right, go. All right, keep going. A little more throttle. All right, keep going, keep going. More throttle, more gas, more gas. Is the traction control kicking in?
I don't know.
Hold on a minute. All right, there we go. All right, not quite so much gas. All right, I'm gonna push. All right, go. Keep going, keep going. Turn, yep, keep going. Keep going. All right, hold on a minute. Not the most efficient way. We've pushed it basically all the way up the hill, but we're gonna get it. We're almost there. All right, and they're making it down the hill. Wow, that was a lot of squigglies. You're welcome, no problem. Phew, got a bit of a walk back to the car. That's 3 people helped. I guess that's pretty good. All right, well, we're heading home here. I've went by most all the hills around and don't really see anybody else, so we're gonna call it a night. Got 3 different cars out and helped, so not too bad. Well, ain't perfect, but it's better than it was.